can see in your screen, the ever gorgeous Mr. Ricky Palou and Mr.
May
Moying.
pagka-gorgeous.
Yung mga mistiso natin dito.
Who's always watching the games,
Oh, yeah.
taking care of matters here, that everything runs smoothly as it has been for the last 8 years.
I know. And it's a vision by these people, and until now, we are enjoying good volleyball action. And, you know, even the level
Envisioned
of
by
playing.
basketball people.
Oo nga. That's true. So, Ferrer.
It's short set. And short team. Still challenging the blockers of Ateneo. Not even trying to go for a swipe.
Talagang palo eh.
Penetrating trying to penetrate the blockers of Ateneo. Cassini now and Valdez with 3 points apiece. On the other side, it's Sartin with 3 and Boli with 2.
Well, the usual names. Oh, another free ball. Ferrer to Hervasio. Yes. You know, Ateneo is not doing anything extra special. You know, they're just
going through their usual game.
But it's effective, so why change it? You know, Ferrer is just giving it to Hervasio, to Valdez.
Distributing it.
Yeah.
Diba, she's not even giving it many times as before, no, to Cassini. Hindi as frequent.
It also, that's actually smart because it keeps the defense guessing.
Plus, it gives confidence to the other spikers. Hindi ka lang flower base.
Oo.
Diba?
Hindi ka
You're
lang part
of the team.
Part of the rotation ka lang.
6-point lead for the Lady Eagles.
So Ferrer, Patnongon.
Again, just with enough power, but in a good spot.
Well, Ateneo has been capitalizing in that hole of Perpetual, just in the center. Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Boli sending it to Sartin.
Sartin not in the best position, but still tried to go for it. Now they're trying to go for a differential hit for Sartin. It's the instruction. Let's see.
No chance na.
Yeah. Well, not on this rotation, so Tobino now to serve. Yun naman if you're being read already, dapat baguhin mo rin. So, that changes a lot, di ba? Kung si Sartin nag-differential bigla.
Yeah. Oh, good block.
Oh, and Elisa Valdez just with the push.
Ateneo really is showing a different level of confidence in their play.
And plus now, Jam Ferrer is able to distribute the ball well. Everybody responding to her sets.
Actually, all 5 spikers have already touched the ball in terms of offense.
Hervasio going to a different direction. Misses that ball.
Well, now Boli is in front for Perpetual.
So is De Los Santos. And so is Cassini and Valdez on the other side.
Cassini gets that point for Ateneo. Easily, no? Easily. Not too much effort.
You know, with just enough, yun yung maturity that you see now with the Lady Eagles. They just don't go for hits and yung wala lang talagang palo lang ng palo. Now they're thinking better. Of course, before, we always say na they're really a thinking team. But now, yun it matches now with their skills.
A more matured team. Well, in that play, Cassini hitting that to the net. But a very comfortable lead for Ateneo. Boli.
Inglet able to save that. Oh, Jenks Marty, pero quick reflexes by Jan Ferrer.
That's right, Diaz. This should be a free ball for Ateneo. Oh, good block.
And point won by the Lady Altas. Patience is a virtue.
The blockers read well.
Lazaro a bit late for the coverage. Well, actually, na one-hand save ni Kainglet.
Oh, another error.
Into the net. Now, Ateneo trying to regroup.
But still a very comfortable lead for them.
With the Perpetual trying to chop off
Oo nga eh.
the lead of Ateneo.
Oh, good dig. Cassini to Kainglet. Good save.
Ball playable. Cassini.
Boli.
Oh!
Read well by Cassini. Oh, good dig.
Bully once again.
Herbacio. Lazaro. This is a good rally. We're having Boli.
Oh!
Herbacio was there. Kainglet dropping it. Boli read it well.
A long rally and Jan Ferrer going to the back row.
Nainip si Jan
Oh.
Ferrer.
Beach volleyball, but Perpetual getting that point. Let's take a look at that last play. De Los Santos. Too much for Herbacio.
That's right. Nawapoy si Herbacio.
What? Hindi na naalala ko yung term na yung wapoy, sir.
Nawapoy.
-5. Well, Ateneo now with 11 digs. Actually equalizing the 11 digs also of Perpetual.
Well, good save there. Ferrer now going to Kainglet. Defense was there. De Los Santos. But Herbacio was there. Cassini.
Oh, and that's going to go wide. And no touch. No check. Ito na, chopping.
Oo.
Now it's just a 3-point lead for the Lady Eagles.
But that was smart of Diaz to let it go. Some people kahit if it's
Kasi
that
pag may
close,
angle, ang hirap basahin. But, good read.
Herbacio. Ferrer now to Cassini. Yes!
And Jenny, a little bit of a smile.
Oh, both girls enjoying themselves.
Pero she turned around naman muna before that cute smile.
Yeah.
Much to the delight of the crowd here at the arena. That's why we couldn't stop inviting you guys over to come watch the games
yeah.
live.
Iba.
Na-miss out nyo yun. Yung
Oh,
sneaker
iba.
na yun.
Joust at the net. Another time.
And the folks just enjoying this matchup between Cassini, Benook Cassini, and Zeng Boli.
You know, one thing that people don't realize is Cassini is an excellent blocker. Zheng Boli, okay lang. I mean, she's more known for her offense. So if she gets that block,
That's why I remember the time you see Mick Laborte and Cassini as they end it with that blocking that you just mentioned. Galing talaga when she's at the net.
that's right. And our shake and play is actually a triple block against Boli, and Ateneo gets the first set. Don't go away. We'll be back.